Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. As you guys know by the title and the thumbnail, so today's video is a little bit different. I'm not gonna do any makeup tutorial or review any makeup product, but today I will be reviewing a lehenga which I bought from Amazon. I have seen lots of videos like this on YouTube and they help us a lot, so I thought of buying it as well and helping you guys. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So as you guys know, I follow YouTube a lot, so I was going through some of the videos and I saw similar type of video like this. So I got inspired and I bought a lehenga for myself. So I bought this lehenga which looks like this. It is so beautiful in the picture. It is marvelous. So I've already opened the package. So the price for this lehenga is $1,099, but the actual price of this is $1,999. So I got it at 45% off. So the name of this lehenga in this Amazon app, it shows Blue Silk Women's Semi-Stitch Lehenga Choli in bracket new navy blue lehenga free size. So this is by the brand Exotic Enterprise. So the material of this lehenga is silk and the color is navy blue. So I ordered this lehenga on 2nd June and I received it on 5th June itself. So the shipping and delivery is really fast, so I really loved it. And the next best thing is I got it on COD. So I didn't have to pay any shipping charges or delivery charges. I just had to pay $1,099 and that's it. So when I just opened this packet, when I got it, my first reaction was okay, it's pretty nice. I had like low hopes, to be very honest, but the quality is not that bad. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the choli. There is no picture of the choli in the Amazon app, but look at this. It is so beautiful and it is quite big and I absolutely love this. It is navy blue in color. It is definitely silk and the design is super nice, super soft. I really love the piece. It's quite big as well. The color is beautiful. It's navy blue. I love all the shades of blue. The work of this is beautiful. The design is a flower design. I definitely like the quality as well, so I really love the choli. Coming to the lehenga, it is so beautiful, like you can see. It is so pretty. It is again in navy blue color. The material is again good. The design is also good. The work is really nice. The work is very precise. Inside you can see they have lining. But coming to the dupatta, the color is freaking pretty, you guys. The color is so beautiful. I love the pearl details on it. I love the border as well. But this is very small. The only problem I have with this purchase is the dupatta size and nothing. The dupatta quality is good. It's soft. It doesn't like scratches on my hand. It's not harsh. And the pearl details is beautiful, you guys. But the only problem I have with this is the size, and that's it. Overall, for recommendation and everything, I think I really love it. At rupees 1,099, which is almost 1,100, you get such a beautiful colored combo lehenga choli. I absolutely love it. I really like this apart from the dupatta, but still I can manage. And at this price, I think definitely this is worth it. And there are lots of lehengas, saris, salwar suits in Amazon.in. So if you want me to do other reviews, do let me know in the comment section below. So if you want me to do other review videos like this, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do another video or not. So if you want to buy this exact lehenga, I will mention the link in my description box. It is absolutely love, you guys. You can wear this at a wedding or a party or a birthday party. Anything you like. It is very beautiful. So I will mention the link in my description box, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.